Welcome back. Today we are making Dorito taco salad casserole. Y'all get into these ingredients. We have our boiled water, our water boiling, our skillet, our baking pan, our oven is preheating. Let's get into today's video. So we have our ground beef. Just gonna give that a little chop. We're gonna let that heat up until it gets nice and brown. We're gonna add our taco seasoning. We're gonna add a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, a little salt, and of course some black pepper. And we're just gonna stir that around. Like I said, just keep stirring it until our ground beef gets nice and brown. We're just gonna cover that. Now let's get into the Spanish rice. We just have a packet. Follow the directions on the back. You can find this at Walmart, Winn-Dixie, your little stores. But we already have that boiling in our pot. Now let's get back to this beef. So our beef is nice and brown. We don't have that much liquid or juice coming from it, but we're just gonna give it a nice stir and pour off all that little excess fat juice. And once you pour that out, we're going to be adding 1 can of Rotel dip. This is the original. We're going to be adding a cream of chicken. We're also going to be adding 1 can of enchilada sauce. Also going to be adding some sour cream. You could add about 4 ounces, or you could add the whole 8 ounces of sour cream. And go ahead and stir all of that together. And we're just going to let that simmer for a few more minutes just to get all those ingredients combined. And let's check on this rice. It is nice and done. Our beef is done, so let's get to adding our ingredients to our baking pan. So we have our Doritos. We've already crushed them up. We're going to place those on the bottom. And you just want to use about 1/3 of the bag for the bottom. And we're just going to be layering it just like lasagna. So we're going to start off by adding our beef. Then we're going to be adding some Mexican blend cheese. You can add whatever cheese that you like, but we're going to be using the Mexican blend. We're going to be adding some rice as well. All right, y'all, and we're just gonna keep layering all over again. Add another 1/3 of the bag of Doritos. Of course, add your meat. Add you some more rice. We're going to add the rest of those Doritos on top. And of course, more cheese. And we're using some sharp cheddar. We'll be using some more of that Mexican cheese blend. All right, y'all, let's get a little up close of our casserole. We're going to be putting it into our oven on 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes and look at our casserole. Look at it. As always, I'm going to give y'all a little up close. Y'all can see that Doritos have mashed together. The cheese is nice and cheesy. Let's go ahead and cut into it. So y'all can see what's going on in the inside of our casserole. Okay then, Doritos. Okay. Get a little bit more of that. Let's go ahead and get up close to the gooiness on the inside. Ooh, you can see that rice. You can see that Rotel. Let's go ahead and decorate it. We got a little bit of chopped olives on top. We're adding a little bit of tomatoes, some lettuce, some sour cream. You can add some more cheese. Yeah, just like a taco salad. Just Dorito edition. But this recipe is pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Woo, add a little taco sauce on there. Just give a little flavor. Y'all, I will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Yeah, y'all gotta watch me take a little nice old bite. Get a little taste test. Come on, taco salad. Woo! Woo!